Wagwan Berridos, welcome to a new edition of Dirty Lyrics. Now, yes, a different type of style, a little different type of format. But for today, I'm going to talk about a few dancehall tracks that I absolutely hate them. So first up, we have Renee 630's My Body. Here it is.
Renee 630.
No man, I'm tired of the song. The song came out and I was just like,
oh, shut the music now. Alright, okay, I guess that's okay. I guess it is okay.
and then I heard this song and I was just like,
what is this? What?
So because I follow Renee 630, every time somebody posts her, she reposts them. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You see, by the time Saturday reach, I mean this. If all them becoming firm and stuff. Do what me want, do what me please. Look how me them try, let me them do. But when you listen that song, you know, when that song get into your cranium, at one point you're gonna just start believing in yourself. Like when you hear the song, you know, me legit start believing my body firm and sturdy, you know.
Oh hell no!
No, serious thing. Me no know, you know. Me never plan to learn the words them until one time the song I play and me find my mouth a move.
A bond become a firm and sturdy. Mike because of earth.
So the next song that I hate is Hotfrass and Takeova's Polo.
Polo shirt and my damn shorts.
Polo shirt and my damn clocks. Whatever and my damn shots. What? No, me hate the song. Me abhor this song. But me gonna give unto Caesar what due to Caesar. The song have a little mood. Me no know the song just make me want go downtown and all bleach and just like walk with some polo shirt and short shorts. Damn, whoa.
Oh hell no!
Just a short shorts. Wow. I used to the way all the brother in the song a DJ, it just come like say they just wake up so him voice kinda like tired and like him did a do one little 5-mile run and him a run out of breath, you know. And she give me good bread. Good bread. And a bowl of my short shorts. And the cheese in my short shorts. What a and all the little thing where the brother keep on and repeat, damn shorts and damn clocks. The way I use the word damn as like an adjective. Is that adjective?
Damn clock with damn shorts.
It made me kind of fear wonder if damn is actually a brand. Can't imagine you're there on the red carpet.
What are you wearing first of all?
A dress.
So who are you wearing? Oh, this is by Damn. Damn. Look at it. Damn. Can I get a damn? Damn. Can I get a damn? Damn. Water with damn? Well. That was so stupid. You can imagine all the brother them talk to them girl. And they like a phone sex line.
Yeah, baby. Where?
I'm a polo shirt and my damn shorts, man.
Damn shorts? No, that's the expensive brand. What else you have on?
Oh, you want to know, so me all have on my damn clocks too, you know. It's late, but yeah, man, I hit me a beat now.
You get the damn clocks too? Wow. Oh, will you put money that you must pay for downtown, you know? No, sir. Take a picture and send me.
Say, I'm sending you a picture. That's soft, man.
And yes, the next song that I hate vehemently is Ishawna's Want It. Now let me just tell you this, that I particularly like a nice little raunchy, you know, a little you know them type of song I would just put on a little mood of conversation into your heart body. Yes, but the song it have one little ghostly haunting feel. Like you can just imagine like y'all come home and like just gone straight, it's just lack of light. No man, the Dirty Berry don't dip on that. Then, you see the part where I hate extra larly is the part where she going on one little song. And then, the last song is Jahvillani Wile Side. So the final song that I hate, dancehall song that I hate right now is Jahvillani's Wile Side Government.
Side man fall black rain pan a bright sunny day.
The song just make you want to walk with some of your unemployed friend them back at you, like. Man them. And all out of nowhere, it just make you want to just do random hand signal. It's like you feel like you want air traffic control, like you just want to bend up your finger them in all kind of S-curl and joining up.
She come again, a wild side, you know we no love man bird.
And you say all worse when me eat the song, the song make me feel like me just want to chop down every single mosquito, any lizard that I heart see in my yard. Can you imagine Jahvillani Wile sing the song?
You know we no love man bird.
And then out of the blue, I got that just sent for him for come to heaven.
Many times must I prove how much I love you?
Well, that is it for this. Alright, so fun and joke aside, that was it. These are dancehall songs that I say me hate, but me just hate, say me like them. Okay? So don't bother get too vexed, don't bother get too cross. These are songs that me really actually rate and things that they are shell. But me just kinda hate them. You know, like in them songs that we never expect, so you go start get up every morning and rate or listener, you can add to your playlist, but them just a part of your playlist. And every time you hear it, you feel what's a little yeah, those are the songs right now. Okay, comment down below if you like this video and if you want to see more of this version of Dirty Lyrics. So make sure to just leave a comment down below, and do not forget Berridos to hit the like button, the thumbs up button. It is right here, simple. And if you're new to my channel, the Dirty Berry Show channel, then simply hit the subscribe button so you can see more awesome videos like this. That's it, people. Take care until the next video. And this, can I get a wow? Can I get a pow? Can I get a kung foul? One time. Slide to the left. Oh no, this is the right. Wow.